Imagine living in a world where your mobile phone is just a phone. It makes calls, maybe sends texts, and offers a tiny handful of built-in features you can never change. Developers have no way to distribute new tools or games directly to users. Phone owners have no way to make their device truly their own. Upgrading your experience? Unthinkable, unless you buy a brand new handset with whatever the manufacturer happened to add. This was the reality of mobile technology before the dawn of the App Store, a landscape of walled gardens, innovation stifled, and potential left unrealized. Our story begins in the early 2000s. Mobile phones were ascendant, but while they had moved from bulky bricks to sleek gadgets, their software experience remained rigid. Carriers and manufacturers tightly controlled which apps could be installed, if any. A few adventurous souls might try sideloading unofficial programs, but it was risky and rare. For most, the phone remained a static tool, not a canvas for creativity. Developers, meanwhile, were frustrated. They wanted to reach millions of users, but found themselves stymied by technical fragmentation and gatekeeping. Each phone model required a different version of an app, assuming you could reach users at all. The idea of a dynamic, ever-growing ecosystem was but a dream. Then, almost overnight, everything changed. In 2008, Apple launched the App Store on the iPhone. Though it wasn't the first platform to offer downloadable mobile apps, the Palm OS and Nokia's Symbian models had their own, smaller-scale markets. The App Store fundamentally reimagined the experience. It was elegant, centralized, and open to any developer who could pass a quality review process. Months later, Google responded with the Android market, unleashing similar possibilities on a new and rapidly growing audience. How did it work? The beauty of the App Store lay in its simplicity and accessibility. For users, it opened up a vast virtual marketplace, millions of utilities, games, and services, just a tap away. No more complex installations or software piracy fears. For developers, it meant publishing their work to a worldwide audience, handling payments securely, and updating software with a few clicks. It created the first genuinely thriving mobile software ecosystem. The impact was seismic. Suddenly, your phone could be anything: a camera darkroom, a GPS navigator, a fitness coach, a banking terminal, a pocket arcade, and a portal to global social interaction. Businesses flourished in the app economy, from nimble startups to established giants who saw their services transformed by the mobile revolution. Many of today's most valuable companies, think Instagram, WhatsApp, Uber, simply could not have existed in a world without app stores. The way we consumed media, played games, and interacted with services fundamentally shifted. Social apps connected billions. Mobile games became cultural phenomena. Think of Angry Birds and Pokémon Go igniting global crazes. Banking, shopping, learning, dating, entire industries found new life and new markets. The App Store model also set a precedent for software distribution everywhere, influencing everything from desktop operating systems to smart TVs, watches, and even cars. Of course, this revolution was not without its challenges. The power of gatekeepers like Apple and Google raised new questions about monopolies, censorship, and fees. Developers sometimes bristled at the rules of the platform. But the overall effect was clear: the App Store era democratized innovation at a scale never seen before. Today, we almost take it for granted that our devices can do whatever we want, whenever we want, with a universe of possibilities always available at our fingertips. That expectation, common as breathing, is the direct legacy of the mobile App Store revolution. As we look to the future, with AI-powered apps, augmented reality, and whatever comes next, the impact of the App Store still echoes. It taught us that platforms matter.